Alright folks, I'm at a secret location where the puma's been spotted several times. They've even managed to get it on film. I can't disclose where this is, but these people know what they're talking about. They know there are animals. They've seen it several times. They filmed it. I believe them. I'm sure there is something here. Look at this, look folks. Puma scat. Done a Google search on it. It looks a real McCoy. It's even got bits of hair on it. This has appeared overnight and none of the animals up here have escaped. This is definitely fur in here. Overnight folks, a chicken's gone missing. They've got a pig that's had its ear ripped, bleeding, and we found large puma scat. It all indicates that there's something definitely here. I'm going to set up a trail cam here folks. I think it's the best way of finding it. Dartmoor is a really good place for big cats to hide. There's all sorts of little caves and crannies, and look at this here, look what I found. What a place for a big cat to hide. There's definitely a big cat stalking around this area. I've seen little trails up through the bracken and indentations where they've been moving and lying down possibly. I'm just going to send the drone up to see if I can capture something. I've got the trail cam folks. Let's have a look now and see what we've got. We haven't had a lot of luck there. It's just foxes, badgers and squirrels, so we've moved it to another location. Look at all this look folks. It's a proper like boneyard. I can't see a cat being that neat, but look at it all here, look. Oh look, it's a roe deer skull. That's a fallow doe's skull. There's all sorts of bits and pieces. There's even a piece of bone up in that tree there. It looks like a pelvic bone or something. Could this be the work of Satanists maybe? Or is it a big cat's boneyard? I honestly don't know. It's really bizarre. Hello folks. I'm at another farm. Something's been spooking all the horses. This here is slide marks where they've been sliding. So they've been running around, sliding everywhere. I've been told by the owner that the horses run around a lot in springtime when they're happy and that and the weather's better. But it's very unusual this time of the year. Something's obviously spooking them. All these big cat sightings are generally not very far away from train lines, which makes sense really because they can travel out of sight. It's quiet. There's always lots of food there, rabbits and that. So that really makes sense. Thanks folks for all the tips you give me. I do investigate them all. If you could all like and subscribe, that would be brilliant. I will keep you updated with it all. Thanks folks, stay safe, take care. Bye.